I have an insight as to the way he worked. Uh, I forget what the reason was, but uh, in our flat on 10th Street, uh, it was part of a four-flat house, and there was a basement where the furnaces, coal furnaces, and he had a little workshop there. And for some reason, I was down there while he was sawing a piece of lumber. And I watched him as he sawed away. And he did it with such an intensity, with a scowl on his face, and with a feverish uh, use of. And so when he finished that particular cut, I said, "Pa, why are you working so hard?" And he looked up at me and he said, "The foreman is always watching." For a lifetime where he had been under the scrutiny of the foreman, he had this compulsion to work with vehemence. And I have that memory of how muscular and how hard-working he must have been, because I never saw him on the job.